grow up nice and green. She has no idea what's coming. Target locked. Take this!
What was that?
Jace, did you just spray me? You can't catch me. Just you wait.
Oh! It's war now! Get back here, Jace!
Missed me. I've got you in my sights.
Make sure you guys don't make too big of a mess.
Shoot!
Whoa!
My paperwork.
Just wait right there.
I think Dad is mad.
Ready? Oh!
Oh! No way! Dad has a Mega Blaster! Ah!
Take this!
Boys and girls, time to take a break and drink some. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness!
What is going on out here?
Oh!
We didn't mean to, Mom.
You guys are having a water war without me? Hold on a second. Nobody escapes.
Target, Mom. Attack!
You can't get me. Take this, Dad.
Pew pew. Oops. Oops.
Let me see. It's my desk. Ugh. Oh no, my work documents. This is a big problem.
We are so sorry, Dad. I'm sorry. I shouldn't have backed up without looking. Dad is gonna yell at me for sure.
Accidents happen, Jace.
You're... not angry?
No, but we have to fix what we can right now.
Quick, bring some dry towels. Gently, don't tear the pages.
I got the fan. Dry up quickly. I'll save as many as I can. Some pages are completely gone. I'm so sorry.
It's okay, son. You didn't mean to do it. I just need to print out the damaged pages again.
Let me help you sort them out, Dad. And I will staple them together for you.
Here is some coffee to help you finish faster.
I made more work for you today, Dad.
Now that's a perfect ending to Water Battle Day.
I am the red superhero. No one can stop me. This makes me look invincible. Jace, give me back my doll right now. What in the world have you done to your face? I'm transforming, Mya. Don't you dare touch my cape. Catch, you little brat! Ugh. Whoa! Ugh. My gravity drive is failing. Ouch! The base is under attack. My collection! Stop it! Incoming! It's a smoke bomb! I can't see anything! My eyes! I'm a ghost. I'm literally a ghost. My beautiful hair. It's ruined. Target hit. Mission accomplished. You look even worse than before. A dusty clown. I'm the dusty clown. Fear me. You are going to pay for this, Jace. You can't catch me. I have super speed. Whoops. Water jet activated. You're blinding me with mist. It's a skating rink. Whee! Not the jewelry. That's delicate. It's a treasure shower. You are the most destructive person on Earth. Everything is escaping. Get him off me! I'm a human pincushion! Wait. Let me be the surgeon. Oh no, it hurts so much, Jace. That's it. You've done enough surgery for today.
What is going on in here? This room is a total disaster.
Mom, Jace was playing superhero. Look, Mom. I'm a ceiling artist now.
Jace, put that down immediately. Mya, start cleaning this up with me.
Yes, Mom. I'm sorry. Whoosh! The dust is still dancing. Jace, can you stop playing for 1 second and help us? I'm busy fighting the evil dust. Jace, stop it! This is my room and everything is ruined!
What's all this shouting? What happened here?
Jace, look at this mess. Is this your doing?
I was just...
Having fun, but I didn't mean to make such a mess.
This is not playing. This is pure disrespect for your sister's things.
I'm sorry, Mya.
You will clean every single inch of this room until it's spotless.
I'm sorry, Mya. I really messed up. Just focus on the floor, Jace. I'll be more careful next time. Use more water on that spot. It won't come out otherwise.
Good, keep working together.
I'll get a stool for the ceiling. Be careful, don't fall again. Look, it's almost clean. It's taking a lot of effort to fix this. I promise I'll buy you a new lipstick with my allowance. Forget the lipstick, just don't play in here again.
Well done. You two learned a hard lesson today. I'm really sorry for everything, guys.
Family always helps each other fix mistakes.
Now, let's go have some dinner.
Wow, there are so many beautiful things, but I don't have the money.
Little girl, hurry up and leave so I can make some sales.
Jace, let's work together to buy that pink dress for Lily. Thank you so much. It's beautiful. You're welcome. Enjoy the dress.
I'm glad we got this for our collection.
Look, it's Lily. She's looking at the dresses. It's so pretty. But I could never afford it.
Hey, don't just stand there. Move along if you're not buying.
I'm sorry. I was just leaving.
That wasn't nice of her. She just wanted to look.
We should do something for her. I'm home, Mom.
Welcome back, honey.
I'm going to deliver these orders now. There she is. She works so hard. Oh. Mya. Jace, what are you doing here? Hi, Lily. We were just taking a walk. I have to deliver these. See you later. We need a plan. Let's go home and ask Mom. Mom, we want to help our friend Lily.
That's lovely. That's lovely. How can I help?
Can we bake cupcakes and sell them?
Let's get into the kitchen, team. Jace, you mix the flour.
smells so good already.
How long until they're ready?
Just a few more minutes.
They look perfect.
Keep them neat for the sale.
This color is just right. Let's set the table.
How much for one?
They are $2 each. It's to help our friend Lily. Got it. Still safe.
Here you go. Good luck. Good luck.
Only one bag sold. Will we make enough? Don't worry, we'll sell them all. I want 3 bags.
Wow! Look at the line!
Yes, we are doing it! Thank you. Enjoy the cupcakes. Only 2 bags legs left.
I'll take the rest.
Sold out! We did it! Enough for the dress. Let's go buy it.
She's gonna love this.
Hide. A gift? For me? Oh my! It's the dress! To our best friend. From Mya and Jace. She's happy. Let's tell Mom and Dad. Dad.
We gave Lily the dress. I'm so proud of you both.
What's all this noise?
She was so surprised when she opened it.
You have big hearts, my children.
It was the best thing we ever did.
Helping others is the true gift.
I'm so proud of our little helpers.
Excellent, Mya. An A+.
Thank you, teacher. I studied so hard. You guys won't be able to get an A+ like I did and feel the joy. Mya, you shouldn't speak to your classmates like that. It will make them sad.
Lily, you'll never get an A+ like I do.
Class, please learn from Mya's spirit. Keep it up, Mya.
Dad. Mom, look, I got an A+.
I'm so proud of you, sweetheart. Here, take this to buy something you like.